Hey, what's up, guys? This is Angel, and I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Galaxy Note 9. It's the lavender purple color. They also have other colors like the blue, the black, and the copper. But this is the purple one, the lavender one, actually. And this is a quick unboxing. What it comes in the box: the S Pen. That's what makes the Note. The phone, the charger, the wire charger, the USB-C cable. It also brings USB to USB adapter to transfer file from another device or computer. 8kg earphones, they are really good. They sound really good. And also it comes with terms and conditions, the papers that we have to read, but most of us don't read. And what else? It comes with the tips remover tool. It's a tool to remove the tips from the S Pen, and it comes with some tips also. What else I'm missing? Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. But this color is pretty beautiful. Obviously, it's mostly feminine, but it's a beautiful color for women. This is not my phone, actually. It's my girlfriend's phone. But as you can appreciate, it's a beautiful phone. It's one of the best phones of this year. Has a great camera, great display, a ton of features, the S Pen, and it has a ton of memory, 128 gig with 6 gig of RAM. This phone is, it packs everything that you need in a phone. I hope to do a quick review. This is the unboxing of the Note 9. I actually myself have the Note 8, and the phone feels heavier than the Note 8. So as you can see, it's a beautiful device. So keep in touch. Thank you for watching my videos and everything. Thank you, guys.